Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss on the determination of work, so let's get started. A system undergoes a process in which the change in internal energy is 2,453 joule. During this process, 1,792 joule of heat is transferred into the system. Determine the amount of work and if it is done by the system or on the system. From the question, you were given the internal energy. So your delta U is equivalent to positive 2,453 joule. Now, another thing that is given to you is heat. The heat is Q. So Q is 1,792 joule. So now what we are going to do is we are going to see whether this heat is being transferred into the system or out of the system. Since the question states here that the heat is transferred into the system, therefore the sign for your Q should be positive. So we can use the formula. The change in internal energy is equivalent to heat plus work. So the change in internal energy is 2,453. Your Q is 1,792. So you will find the value of your work, which is W. So 2,453 minus 1,792. So you will get the work should be equivalent to 661 joule. So since the work is positive, so we can say that the work is done on the system. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.